So for problem number 3, you're going to start off by finding a GCF because all of those are divisible by 5. So after you factor that out, you're left with an n squared minus 4n plus 3. And then you look and you can see that the leftover here is quadratic and it's a trinomial, and a is only equal to 1. So that's the easy way for factoring. So just make yourself a little table and figure out what can you multiply to get c, so in this case 3, that'll add to get -4. And that would be -1 and -3, because -1 times -3 would give you +3. And then it'll also add together to give you -4. So that'll be n minus 1 and n minus 3. But then don't forget about that GCF that you factored out earlier. So your fully factored form is going to be that right there.